again, my name is Tara McGitz. I'm an attorney with the law offices of Drinkwater and Goldstein. This is one of a continuing series on different topics within the practice areas where my office handles matters. So the normal disclaimer, which is that my office is located within the state of New Jersey and is only intended to relate specifically to New Jersey statutes and case law. If you have a similar incident that has occurred in a different state, I would strongly urge you to reach out to competent counsel within that state to ensure and determine whether or not the information that I have provided is accurate as it relates to your state, because I do not practice in your state if you are not within the state of New Jersey. Additionally, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or criticisms, please feel free to comment. Our contact information will be identified within the video, and we welcome all of the above comments, questions, criticisms, critiques. So to get into our topic today, to dive into our topic today, we are going to be talking about faking an injury and how it affects cases in general. And so in order to discuss that, I'm going to be discussing generally two distinct instances which have made the news recently, or as we're saying these days, gone viral. The first is actually a New Jersey incident where a Woodbridge, New Jersey man was found on security footage to appear to be throwing ice on the ground and then rather deliberately slipping and falling on said ice. Let's take a look at the clip and then I'm going to continue. All right, so now you have seen the clip and you probably have your own opinion. And in my opinion, the clip's pretty obvious. He throws ice onto the ground and looks around, and then he attempts to slip and fall sort of onto the ground. Well, this security footage has caused the police and the prosecutor to share my opinion, and he has been criminally charged as a result of this. Now, because he has been criminally charged, I am going to add one additional disclaimer, which is that he is innocent until proven guilty. And the second matter that we're going to be dealing with is the Jussie Smollett matter, which has captured the nation's attention since the incident that he alleges occurred in late January in the early morning hours. Now, for those who are unaware, Jussie Smollett is an actor on the Fox television show Empire. He identifies as a gay black man. This is going to become important. He claimed that in the early hours, around 2 o'clock in the morning, that he was jumped by two individuals who were yelling racist, homophobic slurs at him, including calling him by the name of his television show, which isn't a slur, but it was apparently designed to capture his attention, which then led to the racist, homophobic slurs, that what he believed was bleach was thrown on him as he was being physically assaulted, and that a rope noose was placed around his neck. In the approximately month since this event, it's been about 3 weeks, the police have been investigating, and we have seen news story after news story about this incident, which led to the bombshell last week that two individuals had been arrested and despite Jussie's claim on national television to Robin Roberts that they were white individuals, the individuals who were arrested were black. They were interviewed and they were released, and information started coming out that the Empire actor knew the two individuals. And as we came to learn throughout the course of this week, the police were of the opinion that Jussie had orchestrated the attack on himself, and he was subject of a grand jury, which resulted in an indictment against Jussie. So Mr. Smollett went from the victim to the alleged criminal. And as I said before with the other individual, I'm going to add a disclaimer here. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. And so I take no position on whether he is or is not guilty of this. But these two incidences have really sort of highlighted an issue that as a personal injury practitioner, I see play out time and time again in cases where my client is not believed to have injured themselves at all, or injured themselves to the extent that they claim, or injured themselves in a permanent manner. I can't tell you how many times in the course of reading reports from experts retained by defense insurance companies where I have read strain and sprain, resolved, no permanent injury, not related to the motor vehicle accident, not related to the slip and fall, no permanent injury. Instances such as the Woodbridge, New Jersey man and the Smollett matter, where the narrative turns into faking, causes untold damage to those individuals who have suffered a legitimate injury, regardless of the type of injury, whether it's from a car accident, whether it's from an assault of some kind, whether it's from a medical malpractice or legal malpractice or professional malpractice instance. When we have individuals who appear to be clearly faking, it is significantly harder moving forward for those who come after. Insurance companies make it difficult to report a claim, to be believed to have had a claim, and these instances make me cringe. I hate seeing this as a personal injury attorney, because I know that moving forward, I'm going to hear more of reasons to try to deny valid claims from injured individuals. It means more distrust. It means more work. And it generally means less compensation for those who have been legitimately injured as a result of the negligence of others. These claims here that I've discussed highlight why. Because in both instances, money appears to be the motive. For the New Jersey man, it was the anticipated compensation from the filing of an insurance claim. For Smollett, it appears public sentiment in his favor that would give him the opportunity to seek additional pay from his job. This is not okay. This hurts legitimately injured individuals from A, being believed, which can become a domino effect of suffering and lack of reporting, and B, lack of compensation for legitimate injuries. We've seen this time and time again. However, if you have been involved in an incident of some kind where you have suffered injury in the state of New Jersey, we are here to help. We will perform an investigation, we will help gather evidence, and we will assist you in gaining the best possible recovery. So if you have suffered an injury and there have been questions, please give us a call. We are here to help. We can make every attempt to help you and to help you get the best possible recovery. Our office information is located within the video. And if you have any questions or concerns about such an instance where you've been injured but maybe not been believed, we're here to listen and we're here to try to help you. Please call. My name is Tara McGitz. I'm an attorney with the law offices of Drinkwater and Goldstein, located in the state of New Jersey. And I will be back the next time with another topic. If you have any topics that you'd like to hear about, please drop us a line and you may see it in an upcoming video. Thank you.